morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrom, and I'm reaching out to my student body. Okay, students, the semester is about to start, and I hope that you are ready, but to make sure that you do get ready, I am sending you a vlog to get you prepped and ready to understand what you need to do in my classes. Normally I send this vlog out every semester so students can get ready and be better prepared. So I got multiple classes that I'm teaching this semester, and I just want to send this out to you so you can get a real good, clear understanding. So I am going to walk you through how you go in and interact with your class. All you have to do is pay attention to what I'm showing you, and when the class open up, which is Monday, you'll have a thorough understanding of what you need to do. Now, the example class that I will use, for some students, that will actually be their class. But for you, you may say, hey, this is not my class, it's an example. It's showing you what you need to do. So, I need you to pay attention to the lesson that I walk through so you'll know exactly what to do. It's things that's important, and you'll see a list of things right up here that are really, really important for you to understand. Like for example, you know you have to go through your syllabi. That's important. 2, you know that we in D2L, that's the shell that we're using, so you need to go in there and interact with your classes. Also, you need to know the dates and times when things need to be completed and turned in. That's important. You're going to hear me talk about bonus points on certain things. Now, the bonus points are not in the syllabus. These are things that I give out through the semester. And I'm going to talk more about that in my next upcoming videos so you can get prepped and ready. But if you want to earn some bonus points starting out, when you receive this video log, all you have to do is say, hey, Professor, I understand. I'm ready to go. Now, if you don't, you can't do it on the day the class open up and say, hey, Professor, I understand. I'm ready to go. We in class now. So as long as it's before Monday, you'll get a bonus points, a few bonus points for that. But I explain bonus points more. I need you to focus on your actual work that you have to do in order to get points, period. Okay, so with that being said, let's go over to the computer now and actually look at how you will log in and go through your course. And for most of you, I know you already know this, but I want to make sure that my entire student body is on the same page. This is going to be a very enjoyable semester. You're going to have fun. Okay, so you just logged into your D2L portal and you are at your class. Now remember, I said this is an example class. This is not your particular class, but I do have students who are in this class. I could have used any class in here. I chose to use this one because mostly all of my classes are the same with a few little tweaks, but we'll get to those tweaks when I send the video out, which will be Friday, specifically for you. This is just to wake you up and give you a heads up on what's to come. So the first thing I suggest that you do is to review your syllabus. Now, the first page, I would say read the first page. There's always going to be something on there that's helpful. But I would also say go click on content and go to where the syllabus is. Here is the syllabus for this particular class. You click on this link, you download it, you have your syllabus. Please pay attention to the syllabus. The syllabus has been laid out to actually walk you through everything you need to know about this class. So pay attention to the syllabus. Now, when you get through looking at the syllabus, my suggestion would be to go do your first discussion question. Now, how you do that is going to be some information in here. This here is important. Discussion form. Make sure you read how you will get points on your discussion forms. make sure you do that, because if you do not do that, you're going to miss out and you're going to wonder why you're not getting the maximum amount of grades. I guarantee you some student going to email me and wonder why they did not get the maximum amount of grades in their discussion. And guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to email you this right here. From here to here, I'm going to email that to you. That's going to solve the problem. If you did not follow these instructions, of course, you will not get the maximum amount of points. Okay, and this is important, so read it. Then you're going to have a discussion with a video in there. Watch the video first, then, let me say that again, then answer the discussion question to the best of your ability. So that's your discussion question. The rest of these are assignments and stuff. I just wanted to point out what was important. Now, when it comes time to do your work, you're going to come back to content and you're going to click on a link under the syllabus, which will direct you straight into your course. It will always be a link in there that will link you into your course. So once you click this link, it will take you into your course. Now, I'm going to jump out of this one and go into one where I know the link is up and ready to go. So let's try this course here. So now the individuals in this class will go ahead and click on content, and then what will they do? They will click on the link for the course. They can see it right here. They will click on it. It's always under the syllabus. It is always under the syllabus. Then they'll just click on the link. Now, once they click on a link, they will be teleported into an entire course that's worked out for them. And a lot of things gonna pop up. But the main thing for you is that if you're a student, you're gonna have to register. So you're gonna have to walk through those steps to register in the course. You have to register to get in the course. It is required. So I'm gonna go ahead and close that because I don't need it. And then you will see all your course material. Now, this is the professor's view. Yours may look a little different, but it will be similar. And remember, you have to do all of the work in here. If you open up any one of these folders, you will see that you have a plethora of things in here to do. Make sure you do everything. But what's important though, really, is make sure that you read your course material. So chapter 1, you should read it before you start doing the work. And that's in all of the classes. Some students have a tendency of trying to go in there and do the work and don't read the material. And they wonder why their grade is not so popular. But I know you guys are not going to do that. You're going to be stellar students. Okay. So that's the course. Now I just wanted to give you this brief introduction. So what's the takeaway here? 1, you had to go into your D2L portal, sign into your D2L portal. 2, you had to click on content to see the material. 3, you want to go over your syllabus before you start. 4, you want to go do your discussion question because that's primary important to get you going right for the week. 5, then you want to come do your course material and you just click on a link which will give you another link where you can go into the actual course. Now, this is just waking you up and getting you ready for Monday. I am going to send another video log out which will be embedded inside of the course also that will start you out. Most of the times I like to put it here and I like to put some words up under it that says start here. So you may see it here or you'll see it in the discussion point, and it will be something that you will get points for. Now, the next thing I want to say is this. If you go through this video and before Monday, in other words, Sunday, 11:59, you send me an email saying, hey, Professor, I got it, you get bonus points. This is open for everyone. But come Monday, there will be no bonus points for this particular lesson here. This is Professor Systrom, and I am signing off. And if you need assistance, please reach out to me.